Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how to stop hand clapping behavior. In this video, I will explain 5 different aspects of hand clapping management and how to make a strategy. In the next video, I will put related activities. So let's start. If any kid is flapping his hand or his hand flapping is increased, then we can say his brain and body connection is not well. His joints and body awareness is decreasing. So, first we should think how to improve his joints and body awareness rather than how to reduce hand flapping. That's why we need to involve the kid in those activities which develop joints and body awareness. When joints and body awareness will improve, this hand flapping behavior will automatically get reduced. As we know, hand flapping is a self-stimulatory behavior, so we need to provide enough sensory input through different sensory activities like joint compression, hand pressure, and hand massage with an appropriate amount of pressure. If his sensory needs are fulfilled, then the kid will not clap his hand. Sometimes sensory feedback from hand flapping can be soothing. The sensation of their hands moving through the air or the sounds and visual stimuli produced by the movement can provide comfort and a sense of control. So we need to fulfill these needs through alternate sensory activities to stop this behavior. We can try some other behaviors that will replace the self-stimulatory behavior. These new behaviors should fulfill his same needs but that are safer or less distracting. Offering replacement behaviors may help to break the repetition. Keep in mind that the child's new behavior may still not look exactly like other children of his age, but we will go for more safe or less distracting. Once the child gets used to the new behavior, we can always try to teach him a different behavior later. Hand clapping can also serve as a means of emotional expression. It's a non-verbal way for them to communicate their feelings when traditional methods of expression are challenging. Both positive and negative emotions can be managed with hand clapping. The most effective approach might be to work towards instilling emotional self-regulation. It is seen that hand clapping is reduced when a child learns to manage his emotions. Child's environment should be a place where most outside factors that trigger stimming are avoided. Try to create the best possible environment for the child. If your child finds the surrounding environment highly stimulating, make him feel relaxed by calming environment. On the other hand, if the child is under-responsive and requires some extra stimulation, provide him with a stimulus that makes him happy and comfortable. Before making a strategy to overcome the hand clapping behavior, we should know the exact reason behind it. Let's look at how we can go about identifying the reason behind child's challenging behavior. We would need to look at the events that typically occur right before and immediately after the occurrence of the behavior. Once a pattern can be established over a period of time, we can then derive the function of that behavior. That would then allow us to develop an appropriate strategy to tackle the behavior. Thank you.